Hey, friends, family, and VIP partners, it's Josh with Northern Mortgage. We have some breaking news. We're going to be jumping right into it. So, both the Fed meeting and the inflation reports came out yesterday, and both were better than expected. Inflation is cooling. It was actually a tick under what they were expecting. Remember, the markets do not like to be surprised. So, that sent stocks and bonds higher. That sent interest rates down a fuzz, and it also unveiled what the Fed's plans are from now until the end of next year, 2025. So the Fed report came out and they are expecting one small rate cut this year for 2024. Now, remember, the year started with like 7 Fed rate cuts. I didn't fully believe it. There's only going to be one small rate cut, and most likely the market will have built that in by the time the Fed cuts rates. So, what that means is when the Fed says we're going to cut rates will most likely not move at all. They will have kind of pre-built that in. Secondly, they are talking about 6 rate cuts between now and the end of 2025. So this is going to be big banner headline news when it hits. That will cause the herd of buyers and sellers that are on the fence to jump in the game. That will cause prices to rise even more. Financially, it still makes sense to buy now and then to refinance later. You get 3 discounted refinances with us at Northern Mortgage. Nobody else in town has that. We're still backing you and your clients with that great program. It still makes financial sense to do that. Buy now if it makes sense, refinance that payment later, because as people jump in, prices are going to continue to rise. Last year, prices went up 5%. This year, prices are already up 6%. Next year, prices could be as high as 7 or 8% higher. Do the math on $300,000. That's a lot of money. So if it makes sense, let's connect. Remember, Northern Mortgage does soft pull credits. It's not a hard inquiry. Northern Mortgage has pre-approvals that do not expire. So you don't need to do this and gather information every 30, 60, 90 days. Connect your clients with us. If you're a past client, come back. Let's talk about your options. Let's see if it makes sense. Talk to you soon.